Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another interesting tutorial. Today, by the special grace of God, we are making another tote bag using another method, using same fabric the one we used in the last video. So now, the method we are using now, the other method that we used for the last video was 26 inch by 16 inch. For this, we are using 32 inch. You can see 32 inch by 18 inch. You can see by what? By 13 inch. So to get this, and the next thing we have here is our what? Is our belt. What's measurement for getting our belt? Our measurement here is equals by 22 inch by 1 inch. We need to duplicate it into 2. That's all. From here to here, 1 inch. We have to fold it. We have to fold these edges 1 inch, and these edges as well 1 inch. That's our first. Let's go to that. Now, here's our machine. Let's measure these edges. That's the first one. Now, once we are done with that, let's put it on the side. Pull it up well. The next thing is what we use on our right and our breath. We have to like this. So this one now, let's say it begins with 3 3/4. If 3/4, measure 3/4, here it is. Stop stitching. So you have to stop stitching so it can last. Are you with me? The next thing here is going to be what's for. Are you with me? This is our water. So we are going to use the method to get the other side of this. I need to get this by using this method. Same measurement, stitch 1 inch. The next thing now, the other one that we did as well, we actually stitch this way. So now we are fitting it again. Take that.
Seriously.
Now, against we are not stitching the bolts. We are not stitching the work. The next thing is what we go into. Proper. Thank you very much for watching. If this is your first time, please do well by subscribe, like, comment and share. Click on the notification button so you can be notified anytime we drop any video. Thank you.